to discuss the Division of Revenue Amendment Bill 2024, the County Allocation of Revenue Bill, disbursement of county equitable share, and other emerging issues affecting county governments. Members of the press, citizens of Kenya, the Council of Governors has been closely monitoring the ongoing deliberations in Parliament over the Division of Revenue Amendment Bill 2024. We wish to affirm and support the Senate for the decision to retain county allocations at Kenya shillings 400.117 billion shillings. This will go a long way into the implementation of the devolved functions by the county governments. In this regard, the Council of Governors held an extraordinary meeting today to deliberate on the aforementioned issues and other emerging issues affecting counties. Ladies and gentlemen, we wish to address you as follows. 1. On finance, Division of Revenue Amendment Bill 2024, DORA, and enactment of the County Allocation of Revenue Bill, CARA. For more than 5 months, more than 5 months into the financial year 2024-25, the County Allocation of Revenue Act has not been assented to. This is despite the bill being passed by both houses of Parliament. Due to these protracted deliberations, county governments continue to bear the brunt as they are yet to receive their equitable allocation for the current financial year. On the other hand, the national government continues to receive its shareable revenue as the National Assembly has passed a Supplementary Appropriations Act 2024. The Council takes great exception to the National Assembly's decision to reduce the county equitable share by Kenya shillings 20 billion. Any reduction to county equitable share will negatively affect service delivery and grind the operations of counties to a halt, considering that the allocated amount of 400.117 billion is based on historical audited accounts. We hold the position that the Supplementary Appropriations Act 2024, based on the Division of Revenue Amendment Bill, is unprocedural and unconstitutional for the following reasons. 1. The Supplementary Appropriations Act 2024 is not based on the enacted Division of Revenue Act 2024. 2. The Act is based on figures contained in a bill that's currently before the Mediation Committee of Parliament. 3. This goes against the Supreme Court's advisory reference number 3 of 2019, which stipulated that Parliament cannot pass an appropriation bill before finalization of the Division of Revenue Bill. Such actions are not only an affront to devolution, but an overt attempt to weaken and undermine the devolved governance structure as enshrined in the Constitution. The Council has that resolved to take precipitate action if the said impasse continues to subsist. On the disbursement of equitable share and the release of funds, pursuant to Regulation 134 of the Public Finance Management Act, National Government Regulations 2015, as read with the Supreme Court Advisory Opinion number 3 of 2019 and the Attorney General's Advisory Opinion of September 2024, counties are receiving 50% of the equitable share based on fiscal year 2023-24's allocation. That's previous year's allocation. This is just a stopgap measure that the Council of Governors sought to ensure continuity of operations in counties due to lack of a county allocation and revenue act